Hello. Do you mind
what
if
have you done?
what?
Where's the glue?
No, I didn't. Yes, the glue.
There we go. Now I'm stuck. The glue is not working. So the glue.
Oh my! What did I do?
Now we
Go.
gotta color the blue.
Done. Happy?
Now I'm stuck.
What? No. Oh wait, we can still fly. Oh no, no, the glue. You have one piece of glue.
How do we get stuck?
Whoa.
How do we go out?
Oh, bro. What
You
did
left
you?
us dead because of you.
What
Stop
did
pressing the
I?
launch, okay? Stop pressing launch without.
Why did you paint the butter glue if you didn't let me paint the butter glue, huh?
Bro, I'm not even painting the butter.
What about the
Let me
what?
just paint.
No.
There.
Oh my
Now
God.
you look so cool.
No. No.
Wait. I'll feed
No.
you to the wolves. Houses.
Yeah, so good. I'm making a car.
Wait,
Go.
stop. Come here.
Mm,
Come here. I'm trying to make you a seat. Go. While I'm here. In perfect position.
Ma. Ma.
Ready?
Let's go.
Come on.
Hey. Yeah, is that the... Wait, did I just see a battleship? This is not... Oh my god, bro. This is not World War II simulator. They just blast us. Okay, wait. Get with this build. We're gonna do... Wrong choice. We're gonna instead go to them and shoot them down
What's this boat?
with the orbital fortress.
I have a
Where's-
jetpack, and how does it work?
You jump. Hold it. Hold and jump.
So you go inside, you can make it fly?
Go.
Wait then.
We're in. We're coming to them.
Help.
Ruin the help funny situation. Oh, I'm stuck on the orbital. No, no, no. Look out! Look out! Don't leave me here. Look out! Look out! Look out! No, 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 no,
See,
no.
what should we do? Should we make a
Find a robot, a
No,
robot.
car.
Okay, just just buy another save,
This
okay?
one?
No, don't get that. We're gonna
How will
do.
I buy another thing?
We already have a car wheel from this thing. Okay?
There's no car wheel.
Robot! Da, 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 dee, dee, dee,
So you mean
dee,
we're not
dee,
spending our car, your money just to try and kill him?
We're doing. No, don't. Oh my god. I will.
Okay. Then looks like I'm just gonna go kill him by myself. I'll use their glitch boat, and then I'll shoot him. I'll add machine guns, and then kill him with it. If you go control the back with your machine guns on the side.
Wait, let's connect. I'm gonna connect us. Wonder
Stop.
how?
Stop! No.
Or
Stop spawning a boat. I told you you're gonna control my back.
okay, I'm gonna place it on. Just wait, I gotta clear all my things. And I'm gonna place a seat behind.
No, behind.
Yeah, a seat behind. Are you done that? Where's my seat? Okay. Oh my god. Wait, I'm gonna place a cannon.
Stop. What happened to my cam? Don't know. Spawn a machine gun.
I don't have any machine gun.
Well, do you have here at least 2?
Yeah, I have two machine guns in there. One cannon. We're gonna overthrow, destroy them. Yeah.
Dion.
I think he was on our neighboring team, like at blue team. Wait, they're gonna cause mayhem. They're gonna cause me. Oh, they're there.
Wait, now we started to fly. Just guess
Go.
how cook are they?
Go. Down.
What's happening?
Down. I said down.
Yes, I'm trying to. But instead
We have no gravity. Oh my.
now we're dead here with a machine gun sticked us in our arm.
We got through the end of the map.
We're 60. No way, you just...
I should have 5 billion money by now. Seriously, I should have 5 billion money since I went that far.
Please come on, we should just buy. Or wait, do you have a
Oh,
glitch?
my stuff wasting all my money. What glitch?
Okay, I'm just gonna use my neon fly.
Wait, I'm gonna shoot them and I'm gonna.
No,
my
you're
God.
adding extra 8.
That's just one thing.
Wait, put it on my head.
Oh,
Let
cool.
me test it out.
I already tested that out, but you're gonna stop being like that forever. I think you can't fly if you do that.
Just remove it.
When you place it on yourself.
Why does it look funny?
When just
Yes, come
extra
on.
defense. Okay. Oh, nice.
I colored your harpoon blue. Now we're okay. Get it. Ready? Set. Launch. No, we just lost her.
We just lost the booper. That booper. We're last
How?
minute.
We're stuck up now.
Yes, we're stuck up. Wonder how. Oh my. Stop jumping.
Killing people by
You
getting.
can't snipe them from that distance. They will just walk around. Of course they will.
Let me just shoot the flag.
Stop it. Just get
Fine,
closer. Wait, yeah. Wait, shoot the ground. They will drive us closer.
What do you mean?
Shoot the ground. They will drive us closer. Like closer to the
Now we're starting to spin.
Go shoot. The reason why you can't.
Hey yo, what's that?
That's a centipede. Oh my god.
We got 3.
Finally, but what happened with the
Oh no.
Rio Mexican?
We're stuck with 1 glue.
No.
Why did you even add those?
I don't know.
Let's restart.
Don't worry, I will beat the game for you. Trying to beat the game with a piece of glue stuck to my body. Yay, that. I have 1 seat. I have 1 seat. I think I'm gonna beat the game with this. I'm definitely peeing it.
Don't worry, I'll beat you first. You know how to swim, right? Stop.
I don't know how to swim, but all I know
Aha.
is 2, 6, 7.
Stop. I'm gonna do something. See this? See this? Ready? Get set. Go.
What?
I'm just flying up the sky. How?
I'm driving my boat. Yeah.
Because if you look up, do you see a sheet like a domain? Do you think this would be safe to the guy who has an orbital cannon?
I think maybe.
Just guess how cookies he is.
But you can't shoot him and you can't go down. You can only go up. So, at least I have a fortress. Don't.
Let me spin. Let me spin.
Oh!
I think I was starting to fly. Let me guess what everyone sees in the sky.
The glowing ball.
A glow ball.
Oh my god, I'm dead. I won. I just won.
This what if I glue
Wait, I might actually beat this game.
I'll glue myself on my boat and then this is I'll use your jetpack. Is there any chance to get down? Yes, come on, get ready. Get set, go. That means someone.
Only I'm more farther than you.
Is this what matches that rope is doing right now?
Oh, I'm definitely losing. Oh wait, I might actually win. Ah, oh my god.
Yeah, Jace, you can guess what I'm using right now. I'm using a jetpack.
Oh my god.
Oh frick, I'm stuck to the wall.
I have one seat. I'm dead.
I'm almost dead,
Oh.
Jace. Look.
They just exploded my body. I'm more dead than you.
Oh no, Jace, I'm stuck with a tree copter. And this is me trying not to become a pancake because of today's letter. Oh no, some of them is almost gonna hit me. Oh no, these are just fell. Now I'm stuck with a blue torso.
Blue
Wanna see
torso.
what I look like?
You have a blue torso.
What do you look like? Here, look.
Blue torso. Like that is normal to have a blue torso.
Yo, you got $1 million.
Okay, I think it's time to build.
Yeah, I'm using a glitch.
Yay, time to build. Building
Hey,
time.
that's me.
Please don't cry.
Stop it. I was terror just. You're really such a.
No. Why?
Roblox.
You're gonna quit Roblox.
Because of you. You don't want to play properly. Here we go. Go tie yourself to something. No, just stand still. Oh no, just that's okay. I'm gonna glue you. No, stop.
Okay, gloomy.
Okay, fine. Just put your seat not on me. There, where you're standing at. And then
Don't worry, I will put extra potion on me.
put something on your back.
Sorry.
The back. Here we go. Got you a glue torch. Now delete it. The thing on your back. Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. No! No.
Stop it flying.
No.
This is so cooked.
Hello, I
This-
just.
The bad news is our alien ship is not working properly.
Our helicopter is not working. No.
It's an alien ship.
It's an airplane.
We're stuck with a broken.
They're gonna hit us with a hammer. Oh wait, they're gonna throw musical tunes at us. No, 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 no. It's just no, not me. No. I have no arms. I have 2 broken arms. I was bald. This time, just go full speed there.
Just imagine that we won't crash. No more glue block. Yay!
Bluey block.
Go.
This is. Just to be safe. Just to be safe.
This is the wrong placement. Okay, let me just stand on the block so it will get perfect. There we go. Now go delete those.
Stop.
No more glue block. We're just gonna sit.
Yeah, I'm just protecting myself.
No. How will we fly?
Flying this one. Flying
It
this.
adds extra weight. Delete those 2. It's not
Just
for
one
protect-
block.
No. Diabetes.
Fine. I will put
It's enough.
this gun.
Stop.
Fine.
Let's go. Now let's go check about this guy's ugly build.
Oh, it's a robot. We can't pass through.
How? We're functioning. Just imagine what
He died.
Just imagine what happens to you.
I'm safe. I'm safe.
Just go back to the
God.
lobby.
Fine. I shall swim. Wow. What is this poisonous water or something? Like this is poisonous water.
Let me just add a tile on my back.
It limits me. I like
Get a glue block.
I like licking. Oh.
Get a glue bit. Go. Wait, don't worry, I'm adding you a seat. Remember, you're sitting on a damn.
I'm sitting on a bottle.
Back. They're at the neon.
So I'm gonna do this.
No, you're so bad. Should I leave you?
What? What did I do?
Stop. You're adding extra weight.
Fine. I will delete it. No. Fine. Extra weight.
There. Get ready. Get set.
I'm
Go
gonna
launch.
die. I know for a fact. Why do I have to launch? Oh,
Not us sneaking into someone.
Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Just remember your best friend who was a green bean that crashed out because he never got a neon block.
Yes.
Let's just hide here. Wait, we can go on top of a bridge.